In this video, I'll guide you through how to reset your password on Kayak, whether you've forgotten your password or simply want to update it for security reasons. Resetting your password is a straightforward process. Let's dive in and get started. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to kayak.com. Once the website loads, you'll find yourself on the home page, which is filled with travel options and deals. But don't get sidetracked by all the exciting travel possibilities just yet. Focus on the task at hand, which is to reset your password. Now, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. You'll see a profile icon there. Simply click on this icon. This will open up a menu which provides you with access to your account settings. It's important to remember that being logged in is necessary for this process. So if you're not already signed in, make sure you do that first. Once the menu is open, look for the option that says your account. Click on it and you'll be taken to your account overview page. This page contains all the details related to your Kayak account, and it's where you can manage your personal information and settings. From here, find the tab or section labeled Account. Clicking on this will lead you to more specific settings related to your account security. This is where you'll find the option to reset your password. Now, look for a section or link that mentions passkeys. This part of the website allows you to manage your password settings. Here, you'll have the option to either add a new passkey or reset an existing one. Go ahead and choose the option to reset your passkey. Once you've clicked on the reset option, follow the prompts that appear. You'll likely need to verify your identity, which might involve receiving a confirmation email or entering some personal information. This is a standard security measure to ensure that it's really you making the changes. After verification, you'll be able to set a new password. Make sure to choose a strong and unique password combining letters, numbers, and special characters. This helps in keeping your account secure. Once you've entered your new password, save the changes. And that's it. You've successfully reset your password on Kayak. Remember to keep your new password in a safe place or use a password manager to store it securely. This simple action ensures that your account remains protected and that you can continue to use Kayak without any hassle. If you ever need to reset your password again, you can follow these same steps. It's always a good idea to periodically update your passwords as part of maintaining good online security practices. Thanks for watching and happy travels.